Okay.
Yeah, Randy's a bit of an exaggerator.
That's what it felt like to me, though.
They also added a bunch of people. They added all kinds of stuff.
Can I be somebody different?
Be whoever you want to be.
Don't give me that lie. Don't lie to me. My parents said the same thing, and I'm completely not what I want to be. Let's see. What was I good with? I think I was good with the bandit, right? The bandit or fucking
You guys want to
no,
be engineer?
no, no. Yeah, bandit.
Alright, she'll be
Oh,
accurate.
I could be engineer and load up some turrets and shit.
Alright,
As
what
long as you give me the killing stuff.
what do we want to play on? Do we want what difficulty do we want?
I don't mind a bit of a challenge, but I don't want anything crazy to start back up. The cheesy.
Just remember that that's gonna spawn.
Double
I don't remember
monsters.
how to. Yeah, well, double bosses.
Double bosses. All right. Here we go. Hiya. Wow, it's been a minute.
Yeah, it really has.
Yeah. All right. Let me get my. Where the? Okay. Yep. Got it. Cool. All right. Oh yeah.
Yes.
Oh look, floating skulls.
I love the music in this game.
Yeah, I know. We all have we all have a bit on this. Risk of Rain 2, hands down, one of the best soundtracks like in a video game ever. That is straight fire.
Hashtag lit fam.
Lit boy.
Oh, this is that stupid thing.
Hey, don't talk about me like that. Come on. It's rude.
I'm like dying. I don't remember what any of these artifacts do.
Okay.
Oh, you have artifacts? Must be nice.
They're literally on the ground. You guys walk past them.
They weren't there before.
Oh, excuse me. All right. Oh, I got one. There we go. I got one.
You didn't even get one. You got a lunar coin.
Ah, crap. Oh, what was that? What shot at me? Doop doop. All right. I don't want to fix the robot. He's a robot.
Some
Okay.
maniac and foul.
Oh my god. I'm dead.
Yeah.
I see that.
Wow. That was quick.
How about we do the thing where we don't pick artifacts because it doesn't pause the game when you're picking artifacts?
No.
Oh,
it
I
does
thought
not.
I thought you were gonna say, how about we don't do the thing where we pick our noses for some reason?
You just let them drop the artifacts and let us pick them up. Grab them that way and everything.
If that's what you want to do, sure.
Oh,
I don't remember which artifacts do which, and I'm sitting there trying to figure out which ones do which, because it doesn't tell you in the screen.
I'm telling you, I'm just trying to figure out. What is it?
You're trying to figure out where to go.
Yeah,
I found the teleporter already.
I remember the teleporter. I know we have to do that. I just, I've always been bad at that.
Well,
Even my sense of direction in real life is fucking horrendous.
I was gonna say we got to be kind of quick because you know we're time based here. as well.
I
Quicker
mean,
than
you're already dead, so.
quicker than a minute 30.
Well, yeah, I was just gonna go say start the teleporter or whatever.
Yeah, I'm going to it. I still don't have any artifacts.
I have no idea how to start. Well, it'll drop some artifacts for you as soon as you start the teleporter. I think.
Oh, you had
Or it'll do it.
you had a brilliant behemoth too.
Who?
You did.
Joseph, you're not sharing with the class.
I picked it up. That's the only good artifact I had.
Wow, I am nowhere near you guys. I will make my way there now.
I'm dead.
How am I? Well, no, Randy's alive.
Brandy's about to be dead.
Yeah,
No, he's
dead.
not. No. No.
I got stuck.
You guys put the pressure on me. I don't do well in pressure situations. No. Oh boy.
Frozen.
Where's the monster at?
Up top.
It's the big
Oh.
one.
I'm looking for the big one.
I don't know if he can jump up there or not.
Oh god.
Um,
Time. Hook. And run. Wow.
You ran into the fire.
it doesn't matter.
That was not a good showing.
Alright, hopefully we get one. Alright, I know where the thing is on this one.
Up. Here we go. All right. Yeah, this is more my style.
Joe,
Yeah, I don't
you were-
remember
thought you were
anything.
Dead already.
No, I'm
No.
not here.
Shrine of Combat.
No, not this. Please don't do that.
What? Shrine of Combat's never a bad idea.
Sure, it's not. All right. There we go. Let's get some kills. All right. I feel pretty good.
My God. Come on.
I feel like a freaking dog.
Not
right
dead already.
How?
now. Ah, damn, dude.
I thought my guy was supposed to have like a teleporting ability.
And which one are you? Yeah, this is why I hate the freaking Shroud of Combat or whatever it's called.
You didn't even get attacked by it. You're still all the way over there.
What? Then why are there so many of them?
That's just the normal amount of monsters for you.
Nope.
Down.
No, that was the Shrine of the Combat. They spawned all the way over there.
Yeah, I was going to say, big down.
Well, no. What was he fighting?
Like,
Uh,
like 30 or 40 monsters.
The Shrine of Combat was stone golems.
See what I mean? That's a pain in the butt. Then you gotta go pick them up. And I don't have a lot of health, unlike you. You're a tanky build.
I am not a tanky build.
You are absolutely a tanky build.
Acrid is
You
not
are-
a tank build. Do not lie to me.
You are
Acrid is a tank build. It is all based on regeneration and being able to take a lot of damage.
Wait, what were you playing as?
My health is
you were
only
playing
like
as Huntress.
150. Yeah.
Oh,
I don't remember what I used to play as.
The sword guy.
Joe was the sword guy? I thought he'd be terrible.
What did you play as? I don't remember.
He played as a sword guy. I played as Huntress.
I always play as Acrid.
See your health regen? That's insane.
Dead.
I'm not a tank build my ass.
My health is generally low.
Your health is high, and you
So-
regen really quickly.
So it's just self-esteem.
Oh no, I have a healing drone. That's why my health regen's very good.
Oh, man. So anyone find the teleporter or no?
I saw it at one point.
Ah. Thanks for sharing.
I really gotta go look at the abilities again when we start up.
Yeah, I just really need to get the hang of it again.
Well, I just don't remember what the artifacts do, which is why I was like, let's just do random artifact instead of trying to figure it out.
I don't know. I remember them just fine.
Yeah, well, not all of us do, Randy.
Yeah, that's great, Randy. We're super happy about you remembering everything.
B, have you seen the lunar coin slot?
I have not. What the hell am I? Oh, that's a stone thing. Okay, I was like, what the hell am I fighting? All right. What the heck? Yeah, it's this.
Yeah. If
Oh,
we
no.
restart,
Challenge of the mountain goats.
challenge of the mountain goat. That's what it was. That gives you, on top of having double bosses, you're now going to have quadruple bosses. You know that, right?
That's fine.
Why?
Teleporter's right over there.
I'm coming.
You gonna go find your little shrine thing?
Working on it. I know it's up here somewhere.
You'll always be my little shrine. Up, found the teleporter.
Do not hit it yet.
But why?
Also,
Because
you gotta pick up items. You're just leaving your items everywhere.
I don't.
yeah, that's it. There's actually a crap ton of items over where we first spawned in at.
I'm gonna go
A
get those
blue
items you
orb
left.
appears.
I'm totally going to get those items you left laying around.
I mean, it
don't-
works if you're just tanky and then we pick up stuff and try and survive.
Yeah, like
Like, for instance, if you grab everything for this level and then we start grabbing stuff for the other levels, that's fine.
I'm literally just trying to remember everything.
I remember.
Do you remember?
Remember?
Oh goddamn!
Dealing damage heals you. Oh, so nice.
Oh,
Is that what that's
Now you gotta deal with enemies again.
Why am I? I feel like I'm the only one dealing with like 50 monsters at once.
No, Randy's dealing with them too.
I'm just better.
I just don't want to deal with it.
Well, apparently there's a hermit crab thing we gotta do. We gotta push like 20 hermit crabs off the map.
Is that a thing?
Yeah, I don't know how that works.
Hermit crabs.
Alright, I guess I should go start the thing. Deal with these.
Damn it!
Deal with these after you go through and just murk the whole team.
Oh god, there's a lot of them over there. Alright, I'll help.
Yeah, it's some monster wave.
That's it. I'm getting out of here. Too many of them.
Just eat them all.
See,
Right.
this is why I'm a fan of just spawning random things, because we just pick them up and we're good to go.
Oh no, I'm
And we
good.
put them down. You pick them up, put them down.
Okay.
What is your command? Ow, what the fuck? Oh, an item finally. Wait, are these all items? I don't remember.
The floating box things are items. Ones you just keep walking
Yeah,
past.
those are the
Yeah, those are
Okay.
items over there.
Yeah, but you have to pick the item you want. So it's a...
Got it. We're just gonna make it quick. Okay. I'm not gonna die. There we go. Alright. Now I remember how to get the items. Got it.
Oh, you got a legendary.
Yes, no, I got an equipment.
Oh.
Alright, we ready? Sure.
I was born. Right. Okay.
Think
You
of
didn't let me.
equipment over there, Dan.
Where?
Hey, over there. Straight ahead.
Oh, okay.
By the challenge of the mountain shrine.
Yep, I see it.
Challenge the Mount Goat.
I don't even care how
A
many
challenging mountain goat appears.
Okay. Let me get that. Oh. Okay. Okay. Hostile Gatto. Great character.
Is there fall damage in this game?
Yes.
God damn. I'm on.
If I remember correctly, is that the one that spawns fakes as well as real ones too?
Oh,
No,
shit.
there's just actually a lot of them. And I'm running away.
Yeah, that
Oh, you
thing.
gotta get further than that.
Yeah, that thing just blew me off the fucking map. So I died. So
I'm
that
fine with everything, but let's just maybe get rid of the random. Or the give random items. Makes it a little bit easier on the rest of us.
Yeah, instead of having to pick stuff. Yeah, I kind of agree.
Well, if we lose again, then sure.
Mm.
Yeah, but the problem is that it's gonna be you surviving and us dying.
And that's different from any other game we get out of this.
Because in
Right?
this game, when we die, we can't play anymore.
Yeah, alright, well, next time we die.
Fair enough. Thanks, Randy.
I'm not gonna die. I don't die, even though I just died. Oh, Randy won.
In a second. Alright, now Randy gets the spoils of war.
The spoils of. Ooh,
Better
I'm about to be so beefy.
beefy boy.
Monster stops spawning after this, right?
After the teleporter charges, yeah.
I gotta wait for the teleporter to charge.
So if I DoorDash Chick-fil-A right now, does that make me a fatty?
Yeah.
Nope.
Especially because, are they closed now?
No, Chick-fil-A closes at like 11.
It's
Yeah,
Sunday.
but it's Sunday.
No, they're closed on Sundays.
Those goddamn assholes. Like, just get over it. Honestly, just get over your shit. Be open on a Sunday. Stop being cowards. Yeah, that's right. I'm calling freaking Chick-fil-A out over a YouTube channel. I don't care. What's gonna happen? They're gonna come after me?
Remember.
And then this is
I'm
where
just
you
gonna
got.
cheat. I
and
don't
then
want
this
to
is where
cheat.
I am the cheater.
I don't want to cheat.
Okay, are you gonna just get rid of yourself, or are you gonna give me a final answer?
Um,
Did Joe buy us a pizza?
Nope.
I already had a pizza.
Oh, you dick, and you didn't ask if I wanted anything? Oh, well, I was gonna say, to be fair. To be fair.
To be fair.
Thank you. I do have the vid, so.
Level 2.
Two. Ugh.
Challenge of the Mountain Goat.
No.
Shrine of Combat.
No. God damn you.
Oh please, the level that we're at this point, you'll survive.
Oh, yeah, that's true. I didn't think of it.
We're back to level 2 again.
Well, I forgot.
Don't hit a teleporter yet.
And
No,
the
you're not ready yet.
teleporter!
Do you have anything that does... What's this one do?
Oh,
Equipment charge. Oh, yeah, no, I want this. Oh, I found another Shrine of the Mountain Goat.
Hit it. Let us have 3 shrines of the Mountain Goat active at one time.
I hate
Hang on. Before you do anything, I gotta get over there. That was quick.
That's just
Is that
rude.
equipment charges? Alright, 2 greens per person.
I'm gonna do 7 greens per person. How about
Or maybe 3 greens per person? You guys get 3 or 2?
I have 2.
Okay. Yeah, so it's 3 per person. Everybody gets 1 more.
I got.
Really do.
I already got 3.
Grab the last one.
You're gonna say my name. Say it correctly.
Say my
B.
name.
Listen, buddy. You ever hear of a gem?
No, don't. You're scared of them. Why
Oh,
did
no,
you?
don't.
Why did you pay for the blue portal again?
I didn't
Huh?
pay for it.
Joe did. Why? Why are we going to the blue portal again?
Why are we
We're
doing?
gonna do it again. Oh wait, we can't do it again, can we?
No.
No.
Alright,
We can get legendaries.
We can't get legendaries. Not that we need legendaries.
We can get legendaries and we can
Oh.
pick what map we go to next.
We can do that, or we could just kill this dude.
I don't want to kill
I
him. He's
legitimately
nice.
don't think you can kill him.
I don't want to kill him. He's a nice guy. What the frig?
Yeah, you can't kill him. Now we can't even get legendaries.
Thanks, Joe. Right when,
Oh no.
right when I was about to buy some, and you ruined it for me.
I spent the equipment and I didn't get my payback.
Wow, look at that. Joe kill it. Joe ruining our lives since 1995. He wasn't.
No, we need $997 for that shrine thing.
It's $17.45 for the giant turret if someone wants that.
Yeah.
Wow, I really don't have a lot of money compared to when we usually play.
And his fault was that?
Are there enemies on this map?
A little bit.
kind.
Yeah.
I haven't seen any.
They're dying.
Wow. That's usually a me problem.
I have 34 lunar coins though. It's mine. I got it.
That come
Oh,
out of the.
Did we trigger the portal?
No, I did not.
Teleporter? Oh,
I
we
did.
can.
I did now.
Okay. Oh, it's dead.
Pretty much.
Yeah. We won.
Wow, we only got 1 green per person.
Dong. Not happy about
Dealing
that.
damage heals you. Oh, I need that one. Alright, now I have...
Give me an extra jump.
Give me some of that. Extra jump. Give me some of that extra jump.
What was this?
I have the...
Oh, okay. When that teleporter is done, do not go into it yet.
Yeah, we're going into the gold one.
Well, no, I'm just saying don't activate it yet. I just found the special box, and I have a key for that.
What special box?
The rusty box that you need the rusty key to open.
Oh, I found the coin.
Why did you pick up a rusty key?
Because it guarantees you a legendary.
No, it doesn't.
When you find that box, yes, it does.
Where are you at? Oh, that.
Yeah, that right there. This.
Well, we're literally... All 3 of us are going to get a legendary next at the gold place, too.
Well, I want more.
Oh my god. Take it easy over there, freaking Jeff Bezos.
I only have
More goat hooves.
I only have 3 legendaries. I need more. Which requires you to be in the range. Keep running out of range of that thing, it don't work.
Who, me?
Yeah.
Oh, I don't have to be here for you guys.
No, it slows down when you leave.
Trying to figure out what else I want.
It's very mid of you.
Chance on kill to drop ammo pack that resets all skill cooldowns. Oh, that's kind of cool.
You, stop. You're not in high school. You can't talk like that.
What? Don't. Yet.
Oh, it only gave me a green.
Is this the portal we go in?
The big one.
Do we go in?
I already hit it. We're good to go.
Oh god.
This boss
Where we
has
go?
no idea what.
See, literally, nobody move. No, nobody move. I'm just gonna drop down my things, and it'll take care of the whole thing for us.
What's that supposed to be? What's happening? What is happening?
I triggered my on death effect.
Now what am I supposed to do?
Halcyon beacon. Wants me to build something for money? Absolutely not.
Do you want me to build something that costs money? Not in this world. Welcome to
You
America
gotta
2000.
rebuild. You gotta rebuild the wall to get the.
Shield it until we have the.
Oh yeah, we can't kill it right now, right?
Yeah,
Yep.
you gotta finish the thing first.
Oh my.
Don't
This thing-
necessarily have to, but it helps.
I think we gotta kind of get to it. Hold on.
So we all got the thing that summons him during the teleporter event. Do we get 3 of them or just 1?
No, we
I
get
got-
3 of them.
That's great.
Yeah.
Just me.
Like how we're somehow on very hard. It doesn't feel that hard.
Well, that's what
Oh,
happens
no.
when you cheat.
Oh no, not this level.
The hardest thing about this level is figuring out where the end is.
That's why I don't like it. Where's
Figuring out where the end is. I have good hooves and enough of them to just go wherever.
I thought he literally just said I
Well,
googled.
Find a challenge to the
Google.
mountain goat while you're found the end.
I
Oh, I
googled.
will. Oh, I found one.
I
Oh.
googled.
That wasn't a challenge of the mountain goat. I was just trying to combat.
Hey, you guys want to go back to the gold place again?
We
Mm,
can.
not
I
thi-
mean, I think if we get more of them, it'll just summon more dudes.
Day 639. Still no teleporter. You've been on this planet for 3 stinking days. Yeah.
But
When
somebody
do we-
finds a teleporter?
Oh, yeah, no, it's been right here the whole time. Don't worry about
What
it,
the
you
heck
said.
happened? Why did they kicked out?
You got kicked?
I got kicked.
I kind of vaguely remember this happening very often.
Do I just join back in? Question mark?
I don't think you can join back in, can you?
Let's see what happens. Yeah, I just joined back in. And I have all my stuff. What the heck was that all about?
Oh, well, at least you can join
Do you
back
have
in.
all your things?
I literally have all my things.
Oh, that's good.
I'm 1, I'm confused. 2, I'm scared. 3, why?
Well, I mean, at least you can join back in. I remember you weren't able to before.
I guess that was an update? Question mark?
Wait, you didn't even get a challenge to the mountain goat. What the hell? You said you found one.
What, me? No, I said, oh no, that was just trying to combat.
Oh, a portal.
What happened to all my money?
You spent.
No, it just disappeared all of a sudden. It was weird.
You lose money when you go to the next level. Alright,
Wait,
so,
really?
yeah.
That's terrible.
So, what are we doing? Are we looping around again, or are we trying to do the final boss?
So,
Well, we could go hang out and go pick up that thingy.
so what happens if we loop around again?
We loop around again, and we just do it again.
Now, I don't know. Feel like since we're just kind of playing seriously,
Are we playing seriously?
in a way, I feel like because
Why is there a boss? Oh my god.
Oh yeah, we're at insane, so boss monsters just spawn naturally now.
Oh, cool.
right. So I feel like we're playing seriously in a way because like I feel like
It
we
is.
should just
Well,
Very
yeah,
broken.
why don't we just?
I love it.
Why don't we just finish it? Just end this.
yeah. I think
end
we
it.
should. We should just go through it.
Fair enough.
Activate.
But we're not finishing it the normal way.
Base mode. Okay, boss is dead.
That was quick. I didn't even get to it. Something I don't have, which is really hard to say because I feel like I have all of it. Oh, I didn't have that one. Nice. Doing great.
This teleporter taking forever.
Endeavor. Oh, didn't mean to jump up. But I did anyway. McLankles. Oh my god. Jeez. What is
Oh,
going on?
the special teleporter is literally right over here too.
Oh yeah, you didn't know that?
No, I knew it was. I didn't think it. I've never seen them on the same level before though.
Oh yeah.
Bring back Anakin Skywalker. Let's do this, party people. Final level. Hit dynamite.
Wingus is faster than me.
I don't like that.
Oh no!
Don't worry, I'll catch up.
I tried to jump up, but I only got halfway there.
Alright, we divided up the areas that we're going to.
I mean, it doesn't matter.
Well, hold
you went
on,
to the same place I did.
Let me get to the actual area first, and then we can decide. Again, I have to run. Okay.
I mean, I guess we could technically just cheese and go all the way up to the top, huh?
I was trying to do that, but I didn't have enough feathers.
I might.
Yeah, I can't do that.
You can make it up there, perfect. Is there anyone that gives you extra charges to like your movement ability?
No, I don't think so.
Yeah, because I was gonna say if I get an extra charge on my LB, I would have made it.
Okay, I made it. Where's everyone going?
Yeah, no, I can't make it.
I think I can.
I mean, it's fine. We can just do it normally.
Yeah, I can't get up.
Yeah, we knew you couldn't.
All right, I made it up to the boss.
Did you? Well, the rest of us cannot yet, so.
Yeah, so that's cool.
I thought you could trigger the boss
If you
just
walk,
by being up here.
I think if you walk to the middle of it, it triggers it. But if I remember correctly, we can't get to you if we can't get to it. Alright, to the teleporter.
To the teleporter!
Or
How
whatever
do you
it
go to the
is.
teleporter?
The jump pad.
Oh,
Oh,
yeah.
I missed. Missed that jump part.
I just fell. Oh, I'm alive. You guys can't kill me.
I'm the gingerbread man.
Maybe I have to walk out and in again now that it's done. Let's see. If I walk out, oh, I can't leave now.
Nope. Hold on. I'm coming. I'm
I'm
almost
in.
there. I just hit the teleporter. Or the, I don't know what to call it, giant space beam. Yep.
Yep, there it goes.
Alright.
Yeah, you got all of us have to be in it.
He got pelted by my things. That's fantastic.
I'll kill you. Oh, yeah.
Oh, I'm dead.
Wow.
Enjoy it, guys.
Oh boy. Oh. I'm not ready for this type of commitment.
That was great.
How did you die so fast? Just feel like
I sat in the middle and ate all his attacks.
Yeah, you shouldn't do
That
that.
was-
You're kind of weak.
yeah, that was a bad idea. But
That's fine.
yeah, it's kind of not because now we're down a man, but it's fine.
Yeah, you guys will be fine. Look at that. Look at that. He's dying so quick. Just wait till he steals your abilities.
Yeah, it's wave 3 that I'm worried about. It wasn't really wave 2 that I was worried about.
Oh boy. Oh boy.
You're on the I see you difficulty. Try and do it before I'm coming for you difficulty.
Oh right, there's like 3 stages, aren't there?
Yeah, we're done stage 2. We're starting stage 3 now.
Oh boy. Here we
The
go.
trick to stage 3 is you launch your attack thing before he steals your abilities.
That's right. Here's what I should. God.
Did you just start stage 2, or is this starting stage 3?
This should be stage, yeah, because stage 3 is when he gets this nonsense.
Yeah, this is stage 3. God damn. Ah, fuck. Don't die. Please, for the love. PP please.
You don't die. He's coming after me.
Yeah, I'm trying to stay at a distance so I don't die and lose my shit.
Anything your specials?
Wait, is it 3 or 4 stages that he has?
Yeah, one more. The next one he steals everything.
Okay, so this is the easier stage where it's just dodge and have high health.
Right, but he is, I think, weaker.
He's weaker
on
stage,
stage
yeah,
4.
he's definitely weaker stage 4.
There's also not 2 of them on stage 4.
Come on, just die.
I mean, you can stand still and start healing.
Oh
hell?
god. Yeah, you're right, I need to do that.
Did I win? Fuck. No, you're stealing my shit.
You gotta fire at him. What are you doing?
I'm firing at him. What do you think I'm doing? I hope you're still alive, Randy.
Yeah.
We got this. We got this.
There you go.
Did we win? Hell yeah. Alright, Randy, you ready to make a run for it?
I can remember where I gotta go? Yeah.
Let's.
You guys gotta get out of there.
What do you think we're doing?
Sprint
Tickle
faster.
What do you think we're doing? Tickling our fancies? Oh boy. Come on. Get the fuck out of here. Come on.
The portal's on the wall.
Not the walls, not the walls.
Oh yeah, watch out for the guys that just literally.
Yeah, the one
Devour you
shotters.
alive.
Yeah.
Oh, god.
Oh. Oh. Oh.
Thankfully, my teammate's here to help me charge the thing.
Are you gonna be an asshole, or are you gonna give me a minute to show up?
I'm here in moral support, supporting you.
Yeah,
Alright, guess what? I'm here.
that's good enough.
The question is, do we live or do we die? Should I stay or should I go?
Alright, I'll live.
So
Whether
this-
you do or not, it's something else.
I'm literally alive still.
For now.
This is why crit and crowbar go like hand in hand. Cause then your blades just kill everything like 1-2 shot.
Yeah, you just gotta
Do we
wait.
win?
You don't just wait for the timer, you gotta click the ship, right?
No, you just gotta wait for the ship timer.
Alright. We did it, party Pete. Well, exception of Joe. We did it.
Yeah.
We blew up the moon. Alright. And it only took us an hour and a half.
Yeah, not terrible. Pretty solid. I'll take.
We could have done it faster.
Could we have though?
We could have.
Absolutely.
We just kind of cheesed it. We didn't. I think cheesing it took what, 30 minutes? 30, 40 minutes?
Probably.
Yeah, we kept hanging around trying to grab other equipment, you know?
Yeah.
Although cheesing the game is so much fun.
Yeah, it is. It is.